This is the gorgeous fairy Glen.
This is the fairy Glen. I wouldn't come down here on the big bike, but I might get away with it on the BMX because it's silly. Nice little walk through what is it, a crevasse? I don't know. It's just over the top of Parbold Hill. Very popular but surprisingly quiet today.
I'm here on the electric BMX to test it out for the Helvelyn climb. I've done about 4 big loops up Parbold and I'm just going to see how it performs on like 10% left now.
It's quite dramatic in places.
The problem with having a battery in your backpack is it's pretty heavy and it kind of unsettles your balance, especially on tight little tracks like this.
Just bang my knee. Ow. On the bike. Oh, this isn't good. It's a bit steep for my crappy brakes.
I got used to it over the years, but I haven't done it for a long time, so I'm still a little bit wobbly.
Oh, jeez. Quite a drop here. There you go, Fairy Glen.
This is actually a lot more fun than it looks. The response to the BMX, the throttle is so quick even on this low battery. It really makes it a pleasure nipping around these kind of tracks.
A fresh battery will get me up there. But this one, oh no. You've got to be so careful on these tiny little 20-inch wheels. It doesn't take much to have you off.
I can't believe I've got this place to myself.
That's it, full throttle now. I'm still doing okay. These are a lot more difficult than they look. You have to, on these tyres. Oh, jeez. Looks like I lost a lot of trees in the storms.
Time for an ice cream, I think.
Have a single cone with a flake, thanks.
The bike performed really well and I've got a bit of confidence about going to Helvelyn, which you might have already seen the video. If you haven't, I'll link it in the description and put it on the end. A cheap BMX fitted with a fat bike geared hub, a 45 amp controller and a 15 amp hour battery in my backpack. Not much point in pedaling, it's all throttle. And I took it up Helvelyn.
Battery is very hot. It's actually almost too hot to touch through the plastic case.